Hey there! So you want to score 100% conversion on your calls? Sounds tough, I know. But it's not impossible. I am Gauri, and with these series of videos that you're about to watch, I will take you through some hot tips and tricks on how to handle your calls when you call up your leads. Be it a new investor, or an experienced one, or even a trader. So roll up your sleeves and watch me show you how it's done. When you start your day, first, connect with the team lead to discuss assignments and targets for the day. Second, settle in and log into lead management system. Third, mark yourself as ready to begin. Fourth, check your callbacks of the day. Now that you are ready to start receiving the calls, make sure you have all the necessary documents, checklist, and forms with you. Before you begin, remember, be polite, respond, and not react to what the client may say. Never missell and lie to the client about our charges and plans. Always make a concise introduction. The clients are likely to have a lot of queries, don't get bugged, and always try to solve them with patience. If they ask you for a callback, ask for their preferred call time and double confirm the time before disconnecting. Never end a call abruptly. If you're stuck, ask the customer politely with permission to hold the line, proceed to get the necessary information from team lead, and get back to the client. Treat each of your calls with the same dedication and courtesy. Last but not the least, at the end of the day, ensure to check out of dialer first, then log out of the LMS, and then close the browser. All set? Time to get on a call. Make sure to place your mic correctly so that you are clearly heard, and start every call with a smile.
Hello?
Good morning. Am I speaking with Mr. Gaurav Srivastava?
Yes, you are, but who's this?
Sir, I'm Gauri from Angel Broking, and this call is regarding your inquiry about opening a Demat account with Angel Broking. Would this be a good time to talk?
Definitely, Gauri, we can.
Thank you, sir. To begin with, let me tell you about our recently launched plan called iTrade that offers a hassle-free experience at simplified brokerage rates. This plan will address all your end-to-end investing needs and help you grow your money. Before we proceed, may I ask if you have a Demat account or are you already into trading? If the client doesn't have Demat account, then he's a fresher for sure, and we need to pitch accordingly. And if the client does have a Demat account, then he could be a short-term trader or a long-term investor.
No, Gauri, I do not have a Demat account.
Okay, sir. And may I know if you have a PAN card or an Aadhaar card? If a client asks as to why we need this information, explain to them that a PAN card is mandatory for account opening.
Well, I have that document, but before we go ahead, can you tell me the return on investment that I would get in the stock market?
Okay, sir, no problem. We can definitely help you open your account. The stock market provides excellent returns in the long term at 13% average per annum. In fact, this is the best amongst all investment products like FD, PPF, gold, etc. And with Angel Broking, you get the best and most differentiated products at the most affordable and simple to understand rates. Let me take you through our plan. We have recently introduced the iTrade plan. In this plan, for all orders less than or equal to Rs 50,000, you pay a flat brokerage fee of Rs 15. And for orders above Rs 50,000, you pay Rs 30 across all segments, that is equity, futures and options, currency and commodity. And for this small fee that you pay, you get access to all our end-to-end broking services.
Services such as?
So when you sign up with Angel Broking, you associate yourself with 31 years of trust and wealth creation, just like our 10 lakh plus customers. To begin with, you get access to our award-winning mobile app and trading platforms for all your trading needs. In fact, we even offer a proper training of the mobile app post-account opening. We also offer call and trade assistance to help you with all your investing needs. So with Angel Broking, you get access to best in-class advisory. Our proprietary robo-advisor engine called ARC provides personalized recommendations based on your risk profile. We also have a renowned expert research team to guide you. So you can also access our comprehensive knowledge center comprising blogs, webinars, and videos on our website and the app. And the account that you open is an all-in-one account for trading in equity, derivatives, IPO, mutual funds, and currency and commodity.
Wow, that's really nice.
So if you're convinced, could you please help me with your documents? We can proceed with opening your account online in the next 15 minutes.
Sure, we can do that right away.
Yes, sir. And you will be able to start trading immediately by putting funds in your account. After completing the account opening formalities, ask him for a few more minutes for explaining our insurance products. So, before we end this call, I would also like to tell you about Angel Broking's one-stop solution for wealth creation and protection.
Sure, go ahead.
Thank you, sir. Angel Broking also offers a wide range of insurance products like term insurance, health insurance, and ULIPs that will protect you and your loved ones against the uncertainties of life. I think you should definitely take benefit from our expertise. Our wealth management expert can assist and guide you on the plans that we offer. So, may I know when he could reach out to you?
Maybe tomorrow, same time?
Sure, sir. I will make a note of that, and thank you so much for your time and trust in Angel Broking. Also, please do let me know if you have any friends, family, or associates whom you would like to refer. You can win some exciting offers when they open an account with us.
Definitely, Gauri, I will.
All right, sir. Thank you and have a good day. So there you have it. That was a great call, wasn't it? One last thing. Once the customer provides you with the details for the wealth management team, make a note of it in the LMS and forward it to them. I hope you found this roleplay informative. Do check out the other videos in the Edu series.